This is Motorola ThinkPhone, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable the Dolby Atmos feature on this device. So, to begin with, you can do that by either opening the control center and going into the Dolby Atmos preferences like that, or you can also access them from settings by entering the sounds and vibration category, and in here you'll also find the Dolby Atmos section. So once at the Dolby Atmos separate tab, basically long story short, this feature is automatically enabled, but on the other note you can change and modify the mode that it is currently in. So usually by default it is set to be at the smart audio. That basically stands for the automatic preferences for whatever is that you're listening to at any given moment. It will change and just set the best settings and preferences for any particular sound source. But you can also manually set it to be in the music mode, movie mode, game mode, podcast mode, or custom mode, which basically allows you to manually adjust all the preferences that are available over here and make your own sound pattern. I recommend that you actually set it to be at smart audio and forget about it. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.